Welcome the Wild Mind documentary. This whale footage shocked scientists around the world. At first glance, it looks peaceful, calm, almost ordinary. But look closer. What you're seeing is one of the most powerful living creatures on Earth, captured in a way humans rarely get to see. From above, whales move like giants in slow motion. Every turn of their body controls thousands of liters of water. Scientists studying this footage noticed something incredible. Whales don't just swim, they glide with precision. Their movements save energy, protect their bodies, and allow them to travel thousands of kilometers across oceans. A blue whale can grow longer than a Boeing 737 airplane. Its heart beats so loudly it can be detected from miles away underwater. And yet, this giant survives on tiny krill. Drone footage revealed another shocking detail. Highly aware of their surroundings, they adjust their path. They react to boats. They even respond to sound vibrations in the water. This level of intelligence is rare in the animal kingdom. But here's the hard truth. Despite their size and power, whales